red goat jumps so high, kicking up dust as it reaches the sky. Two green goats run around the tree, playing happily, wild and free. Three blue goats skip and hop over the rocks, they never stop. Four yellow goats nibble the grass, bouncing and laughing as they pass. Five pink goats dance in a line, wiggling tails and feeling fine. Six purple goats spin around, tumbling gently on the ground. Seven orange goats climb the hill, cheerful and playful, full of thrill. Rainbow goats, all colors bright, playing together from morning to night. Little kids clap, stomp and cheer, watching the goats hop far and near. Colorful goats so full of fun, jumping, running in the shining sun.